Can dependents of the primary applicant be included in the I-140 petition? And how does the aging out of dependents during the processing period affect their eligibility? What do you have to
Yeah.
say?
So, in terms of derivatives during the I-140 petition process and the application process, one can indicate who their derivative beneficiaries are, right? So, your spouse, your children, or the typical ones. And you can list those dependents out in the I-140 application. So, USCIS is on notice that when this individual files their adjustment of status, these are the derivative applicants that I can expect as a part of their 485 application. So you can absolutely, list them out in the I-140. In terms of aging out and the CASPA requirements, 1 minute is not going to be enough to discuss the aging out, right? That is another consideration for folks where they might be having individuals, that are turning a certain age and that are going to be aging out of their ability to get a green card. But that's probably a webinar in and of itself in terms of explaining the CASPA requirements. So maybe a topic for another time.
We have
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.